Man, these loud ass niggas in the day room make it so hard to record a track. That's why nigga be like, fuck niggas all day. But then nigga kick it with niggas all day. That's why I welcome niggas. Straight up I welcome niggas. Cause man, I'm better than whoever. Yeah, I welcome niggas. Man, I see haters getting paper, so I welcome niggas. Cause they gon' help me get this paper, so I welcome niggas. Hell yeah, welcome niggas. Welcome niggas, straight up welcome niggas. Welcome niggas, hell yeah, welcome niggas. Welcome niggas. Cause niggas gon' be niggas, so I welcome niggas. Go ahead, nigga, do your shit. More bread is what you gon' get if you don't let niggas use your bitch for no charge. That's your broad, better go hard. Cause nowadays they find ways like slow songs. Seduce you, use you, then put you on YouTube. That's on blast, I'm used to my own cash. Refuse to romance a broke ass, hold ass about. No cash, I'm out. Get on your grown man shit now. Nigga, 4 grams to an ounce till it won't ask the amount. My ending name is 9 clouds. Niggas waiting, riding round. Now hit the state if they buying pounds. I ain't finna wait till they grind it out. Nah, I want mines now. Like right now, no games in my house. I won't aim, pin file down. I murk you for my grind. You let my virtue turn to vice. Ain't nothing personal on mine. If you want work, I give you price. I sent that shit like 3 days ago. This nigga ain't got my shit. I'm waiting on you. Nigga, my payments due. Welcome niggas, but still I welcome niggas. Cause man, I'm better than whoever. Yeah, I welcome niggas. Man, I see haters making paper, so I welcome niggas. Cause they gon' help me get this paper. Yeah, I welcome niggas. Straight up, welcome niggas. Welcome niggas, hell yeah, welcome niggas. Welcome niggas, straight up, welcome niggas. Welcome niggas. Cause niggas gon' be niggas, so I welcome niggas.
Welcome to the hustle, welcome to the jungle. Shows comes when you're subtle, hell comes when you're subtle. Shaka Zulu, chopper, sue you 7.62s. Hit you man, make you holler or hooroo. When I do you, I go cuckoo. For these bukus, me and my Zulus. Me many rosters went to do you. We're ready to shoot you, smoke you. What you won't do, fool? You goof troop, you 2 scoops of Fruit Loops. You poop button doing boot scoops. On them level 4s, my level go, you never know. I'm every glow of the majestic gold that sits on the throne. Spit the chrome, split your dome, split your form for your kids are born. My niggas swarm like some hornets, born to this war shit. Coming through these projects, objects, just get it. I'm trying to get rich and pretty. Oh shit, bitch, you know I put you to this chicken flipping on the block. I'm trying to get my money. Suckers acting like it's a joke, ain't nothing funny. Dummy, I quit the gun these niggas down, and you welcome to this motherfucking West Oakland town, boy. And you could come around here, but don't have no fear in your heart, my nigga, or you disappear. And my nigga's sincere, put the clip to his ear, cause this nigga's hella weird, and I bet you I split his bid. You're welcome.
Straight up, nigga.